Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace for beginners. So first things first, you need to log into your account. Make sure that this is not a page account. This should be your real account. So I'm going to switch first to my real account. And basically, once you're on your real account or your account, not your page account, you should see the marketplace option. Now, what you're going to do next is tap on the marketplace section or option right here, and then basically add your item. So create new listing, click this one, and then you can now add the information of your product. So here I'm going to sell an item, not a vehicle or appliances. So here I can add the name or the title of my product or item. Now tap on upload to add pictures. It's very important to add pictures here on your selling or on your marketplace. Now you can add a category, information, you can add description, you can add prices. You should also be honest if it's new or not to gain trust. So all you have to do is to add information and then fill in some missing right here. Double check all the information before tap on the next option. Okay, so that's how easy it is. You also need to be careful with your description and honest with the description. Also, you need to double check your location. And if it's limited, or let's just say you cannot deliver to a specific place, you can also include this one right here. Basically, if you scroll down, you have your option if you want to do meetups or just deliver it or pick up. Everything is up to you. Once you're done with this, then you can tap on next, review everything. And then after that, you can now publish your item. And that's how easy it is to sell on Facebook Marketplace for beginners. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.